Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can automate email marketing with Zapier, guys. And it's really easy and simple. So first things first, go ahead and log in to your Zapier account. They usually give you 14 days of free trial. I'm currently logged into my free trial right now. Then what you're going to do, guys, come here and click on create. Okay, click on create and then click on Zaps. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be choosing first a trigger Zap. Okay, so for example, like Google Sheets, if you're doing new leads, or Typeform for form submissions. Okay, of course you can use AI. They have a Copilot tool that can help you automate this, but I'm going to be doing this manually so that you understand what's going on and you can use this in different instances. So for trigger app, I'm going to choose the trigger app right here. There's so many apps. I'm going to choose Google Sheets right here, and then now what we need to do is set the trigger event. So what is the trigger event right now? So what you want to do is choose first the specific sheet. All right, you need to choose that. I have my account already linked, so let's choose a trigger event. So what could it be? It says let's do new spreadsheet row. Okay, this is instant. So basically when a new row is added, for example in the spreadsheet, it will trigger. Okay, let's configure this right now. So we're going to choose which spreadsheet we want. We're going to choose this one, Zapier, right here. This is the spreadsheet, and the worksheet value we're going to be using sheet 1. This is sheet 1 right here. And then we can do a test if you would like. So we can test a trigger. Let's add something new. Well, let me do test trigger first, and then we'll add something new, and then we'll see if it works out. So there's 3 records right now. Okay, spreadsheet row A, this is fine. Test 2, continue with selected spreadsheet. That's okay. That's perfect. The test actually worked. All right, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to click on action now. So now we have to choose the action app. So we're going to be choosing an email marketing platform. For example, whatever marketing tool you're using. For example, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact. Let's do MailChimp. All right, we're going to be choosing MailChimp. So let me search this up right here, click on MailChimp, and then what you want to do basically, guys, is you want to choose an action event, such as, add subscribers, send a campaign, or tag contact, okay? So what we're going to do, guys, is we will do this. We will add subscriber to tag, okay? Then you want to map the data, connect to your MailChimp account. Then you want to configure it, map fields from the trigger platform to send to the email platform, like for example the lead's name and email address. Then you just want to go ahead and test the Zap. So Zapier will let you test the automation to ensure that the data flows correctly from the trigger app to your email tool. And of course, guys, you then want to turn on the Zap, and once your test succeeds, guys, just name your Zap, you just turn it on, and it will now work in the background, saving you any time and effort. So you can automate your marketing workflow like this. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it does, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.